Hi everyone, today I'm going to react to this most annoying sound ever. I don't know if it's the really annoying one I could get, but let's just see if this is really annoying to me, and I think it will sound funny. So I don't know if this sound funny at the same time, so let's just do this video and react to it. So let's go. Excuse me. So which one is a very annoying sound in the world? So we just search. It's the very shortest one. So let's see. I'm going to be in a hurry right now, so yeah. Where is that annoying sound? Oh yeah, here. So this.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide, and beat a polar bear in a fight. Like an underwater unicorn, they've got a kick-ass facial harm. They're the Jedi on the sea. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, just don't let them touch your balls. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, in menace of dishes goodbye. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide, and beat up balls. They are narwhals. Narwhals, just don't let them touch your balls. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, in menace of dishes goodbye.
That is really inappropriate. So let's see this. So just skip this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also be happy. And I see you in the next reaction video or challenge video. So bye guys, and see you.